when people go in villages, what do they bring for you? Maybe you're the one who takes for them. You don't get anything from them. So today, I'm going to be showing you what people in the village brought for me when they left. And then you will compare. And this is Uganda, Africa. Welcome to the channel. Let's unpack what was brought for me. We begin with this. So, here is this is cassava. 1, 2. This cassava. Oh my gosh. What's this? And sugar cane. And sweet potato. And avocado. And more avocado. And this is matoke. Can you see? Can you see? Oh my gosh. This is matoke. All this is this bananas. So, and this, let's see what's in this. What is in this polythene bag? Guys, we are finishing this time style. And this is rice. Can you see? Oh no. And this. And this is flour, posho, maize flour, corn flour, whatever you call it. So guys, welcome to my bed sitter, ladies and gentlemen. I will soon give you a tour of this place. You want to know how much? You want to know, like, what do you want to know? So now you see. Imagine all of these get ripe at the same time. Oh my gosh. But of course, I give out some to my neighbors. Why am I even putting the things there? Anyway, I want to show you my matoke. These ones, I have preserved some in water. You know how they preserve cassava in water? Stick around, I'll show you. Then this posho, I have to share this. Then I'm going to show you the matoke. It's time to preserve because things are expensive. So let me show you. I'm going to put the potatoes. This is my box where I peel from. Can you see? These are the bananas. You'll see. This one I put it in low round. Oh, guys, how are you doing? Where are you watching from? Are your villages as beautiful as African villages? Oh, I had not showed you more things. African villages. All of you should come to our villages. There is this other bag. It has this. Cinnamon leaves. Cinnamon leaves. We have mandarin. Is it mandarin? What? Oh my gosh. Then we have, do you know these small onions? And tomatoes. So many things. See? Tomatoes and onions. And these onions are very expensive here. So people should always go in the village so that they bring for us stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. People, don't mind about this. This will be sorted. You people, you should always go to the village. You should don't you admire our villages? This is how our villages are. Blessed. People in the villages are the ones who give us food. These tomatoes are very many. I have to remove the camera and wash all these tomatoes and sort them out, so that at least for the next week I will not be buying tomatoes. And these are onions. Onions are very expensive these days. I think they are out of season. So you guys, after all this, shouldn't people always go to the villages? Ugali, Kenyans in the building. This is ugali, and this is rice. In Africa, we share with our neighbors. We know all our neighbors, so I'm going to put some things aside which I'll be giving to my neighbor, and I'll show them to you when I'm done sorting everything. You have to know your neighbors. Anyway, some people say they are too busy working, no time, and they don't know their neighbors. But in Africa, we know our neighbors, and I'm going to be sharing with one of them. I already told you, in Africa we care about our neighbors, so this is what I'm going to be taking for my neighbor. This is some ugali, some posho. See my hands, because of I was using this cup. So I'm taking for my neighbor this is some posho. I will also give my neighbor this. I will give my neighbor these onions. I will give my neighbor this matoke, bananas, you call them plantain. These bananas. I will give my neighbor this. I will give my neighbor some sugar cane. I will give my neighbor some rice. And I will also give my neighbor some tomatoes. Do you still want to know your neighbor or no? So guys, caring is sharing. It's African culture. Caring is sharing. So I won't be showing my neighbor on camera, but this is what I'm going to be giving her, and I know she will be happy. I also need to give my neighbor some of these on the cinnamon leaves. These are too many. Yeah, so after packing everything, these are some onions that I will give. So this is all. All this is going to my neighbor. Banana. So guys, you're welcome to Uganda. You can come and be my neighbor here, and you will never go hungry. I gave my neighbor one and I remained with one, because it's good to give when things are fresh. Don't get to see when things are getting spoiled and then you want to give them out. Give out things when they are still fresh. If they are getting spoiled, throw. Why you want to give what is getting spoiled? So that's why I stayed with one, and I need to preserve it, yeah, later. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.